Once upon a time, there was a boy named Kabir who lived in a small village. He was around 19 years old. His family was very simple and struggled financially. His father had a small job, and his mother worked as a tailor. Kabir had big dreams. He wanted money, success, and respect. He wanted people to know his name. But there was one problem: he didn't believe in himself. Every time he tried to start something new, a voice inside his mind said, "You can't do it." He saw other people becoming successful and thought, "They have talent, what do I have?" Slowly, he started separating himself from the world. Scrolling on his phone all day, overthinking all night, and every morning promising himself to change, only to repeat the same routine again. One day, an old man came to the village. White beard, calm face, and eyes full of confidence. People called him Baba Rahman. Kabir noticed that everyone respected him deeply. People believed he had the power to change lives. Kabir went to him and said, "Baba, I want to achieve something big in life, but I can never truly begin." The old man smiled and replied, "Meet me near the river tomorrow before sunrise." The next morning, Kabir reached the river. Cold wind was blowing. Everything around was silent. Baba Rahman took him deeper into the river. The water had reached their chest. Suddenly, Baba grabbed Kabir's head and pushed it underwater. For a few seconds, Kabir stayed calm. Then he tried to come up. But Baba didn't let go. Now Kabir started panicking. He couldn't breathe. His heart was racing. After a few moments, Baba finally pulled him out. Kabir started breathing heavily. Baba asked, "When you were underwater, what did you want the most?" Kabir replied, "Air." Baba looked into his eyes and said, "The day you want success as badly as you wanted air, no one will be able to stop you." Those words hit Kabir deeply. From that day onward, he began changing himself. He started waking up early, used his phone less, learned new skills, worked a little every single day. The beginning was not easy. When he started working online, people laughed at him. Some said, "These things are only for rich people." Others said, "You'll stay poor forever." But this time, Kabir didn't stop. He remembered Baba's words, "Success doesn't come from wishing for it. You have to become obsessed with it." Days passed. Months passed. Many times he failed. Many times he cried. Many times he felt like quitting. But every time, he asked himself one question: if I quit today, will I ever truly be happy with my life? And the answer was always no. One night, he was sitting alone in his room working. The whole house was asleep. Tired and frustrated, he placed his phone aside and whispered, "Maybe all my hard work is useless." At that exact moment, a notification appeared on his phone. One of his videos had gone viral. Millions of views, thousands of comments, and messages saying, "Brother, you inspired me." Tears filled his eyes. At that moment, he understood, success never comes suddenly. It is the reward for every night when you could have given up, but chose to continue instead. A few years later, Kabir became someone people recognized. But he never forgot his struggles. One day, someone asked him, "What is the secret behind your success?" Kabir smiled and replied, "The day I stopped making excuses, my life changed." Friends, every person in life has two choices. The first, to blame circumstances and stay unhappy forever. The second, to begin despite fear. Remember this: moving slowly is not a problem. Stopping completely is. If you have nothing today, that doesn't mean you'll never become something tomorrow. Because great stories often begin in small rooms. And one day, the same person the world once called weak changes everything.